Good morning everyone, respected headmaster, teachers, parents and my dear old friends. My name is Manoj Polkia. Today I am going to speak a few words about Independence Day. At first I wish you all a very happy Independence Day. Friends, we all know that 15 August. Day of honor and proud for every Indian on this 1947. India got independence from British rule. Our great freedom fighters like Mahatma Gandhi, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, Subhas Chandra Bose, Lakshman Nayak, Bhagat Singh, Mangal Pandey and many others devoted their whole life for freedom of our country. Today last salute all those freedom fighters and leaders. Today we are developing rapidly in the field of technology, education, sport, many others which would not be possible without freedom. So it is our duty to work and for the country, development and progress. Let's all please do our best and